In this video I will mount my racing seat and my harness to the MX5. Stay tuned. Hi guys, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoy it. And if you do, please consider to subscribe and activate the notifications so YouTube can let you know every time I upload a new video. This is my 2003 Mazda MX5 and today I will be mounting this racing seat, a Sparco Grid Q, and my 6-point harness from the brand RRS. To do this, I will be using these rails from Skid Nation that are appropriate for the Mazda MX5. You cannot use the standard one from Sparco that are straight because of the angle on the mounting points on the front and on the back. Had already a harness mounted, just a 4-point, so I already have the holding points here. This one, it's attached to the original thread for the seat belt, and that one, it was drilled and put with a big washer behind. Because I will use a 6-point harness, I will need to drill also here in the front to put the front part of the seat belt, and the top part will be holded here on the roll bar. So I will begin to assemble the rails to the car, then put the seat in, find my sitting position, and after that I will be able to take the front foam and see the area where I need to put the front part of the seat belt. So the installation instructions for the seat belt, it states that the front part should be in the alignment with the center, 20 degrees to the front, 20 to the back, so plus minus 20 degrees. The side strap should be around 45 with the horizontal plane. And the top belt, ideally 10 degrees and a maximum of 45. So this part, it's already done. This part will go to the roll bar, so I will just drill this one. It's already marked here on the floor, the hole from the seat. So now I will just take some measurements and from the center, and then put it in the margin of the 20 degrees, but I will bolt it more close to the front of the hole, and then for sure I will be or in the 0 or on the minus 20. So I started already to get the seat belt loose. Now I will attach it to place. I will put the seat in here, pass it through, and then we will have space here to fine-tune and adjust the length of the seat belt. With the seat in place, I just need to slide the side pieces and attach them to the connection points that we already have in the car. The seat belts, they came with the connection points that we will not use. You just take these parts out and you save them, because this will hold directly here. With the seat belts on place, I roll the excess and put some zip ties holding this roll on the bottom part of the roll bar. And just like that, we have our racing seat with the harness bolted on place. They are really secure. The seat belt is already put to my size, so installation ready. So guys, it's a really simple procedure. You just need to be careful to measure everything and put all the parts in place. So if you like this video, hit the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and share the videos on your social networks. See you on the next one. Bye!